These are 2 for $30, so that's a far better deal that you're gonna get, and you're gonna get some great items. I'm gonna tell you, blowing FabFitFun out of the water. I said this last time. I haven't even opened them, and I already know. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe's off doing Chloe things, and Bandit's hanging around with me. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So it is Mystery Box Monday. Whenever I have mystery boxes, I try to throw them on a Mystery Box Monday. And I have double the mystery boxes. So Goldie Boxed in their shop has last call mystery boxes from last year. So there's typically 3 to 4 items in each box. I'm pretty sure these are winter. Usually there is a little thing on the back, but there wasn't this time. But I'm pretty sure these were winter because I got the, yes it is. Okay, because I knew I had gotten spring and summer ones. One of them I actually got twice. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so we have this little mug, Dunkin', Starbucks, and many more. It's a beverage cup with, it's a beverage cup with an easy grip handle. So here we go. And this will fit on those kind of smaller mugs that you get from those places, or not mugs, but cups. Little cardboard ones now that they give you to keep it warm. You got your little handle. By Rugline, we have these knee socks. Now, I got these before. I've told you that I think my daughter wears them once and then takes one sock and just throws them and throws them in garbage because we only have one. They're super cute. They may have to get hidden from her. Although, I never wear anything that you're going to see my knee socks anyway, so she'll probably get them. But she loves these. By Kiko, we have this little card keeper. So it's just to put, oops, just to put a couple of things in, but it fits nicely in kind of those smaller bags that we have, those little evening bags or whatever. This is going to be vegan leather because she does not do real leather. And then last is the Bellapierre I Slay Mermaid Glam set. So there are 3 different shadows in here. This is a great set. I think I actually have it. So you have 3 powdered shadows and a little brush, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous set. So even though like I had that item, it's still a great box. Still nice variety. Like, I mean, this socks right there are scorching, but this is really cute. So I don't usually buy coffee. I don't usually make coffee, but I do have mugs that are kind of smaller, that are kind of this size, that would be useful for as well. I will tell you that if she still has these in the shop, you are likely going to get these 2 boxes. I know this because I have accidentally repurchased and gotten the same exact thing. Sometimes I see some variety, but mostly same. Ooh, something in here smells really good. All right, a little sneak peek. This must be what smells good. This is a shower steamer in mint eucalyptus, and we do use these. I have a little wooden thing to put it on. That's what I'm smelling. By minus 35 degrees Fahrenheit, or I don't know, that's what it says on here. That might not be the name brand. A cooling icy face gel. Oh, Pure Drop. Maybe that's the, that's really nice though after a day out in the summertime. I mean, I really think this is more of a summertime item. The Apricot Cleansing Oil. This is a great cleansing oil. This is by Dirty Lamb, and it's a fantastic cleansing oil. It has a light apricot scent, but not a strong scent. And then we have, I don't even know what this is. It's an iTech pen. Get my glasses. You can use this with an iPhone, iPad, iPod, Android, Windows, BlackBerry smartphone, or MP3 player. 2-color pen and stylus. What do I do with it though? I have no idea. I'm gonna have to look. I don't know if this is one of the ones where you write and it translates it into your computer. I'm not really sure. Maybe one of you guys knows. I don't really know. You guys are gonna have to tell me. I might have to set this aside for my brother-in-law for Christmas. All right, but some really great items in there. Love a shower steamer. Love this. And I haven't tried this, but for the summertime, this is gonna be great. And the iTake pen is probably like a very fancy item. I just don't know what to do with it. Okay, those are my winter mystery boxes. Let me know your thoughts. And check out her shop if you are interested in either mystery boxes like this or other things. All right, well, thank you so much. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.